Hello house. So here I want to teach on this video how to start up the building of your website. So this is my phone. You can do it with your phone. You can do it with your phone without any waste of time. So what you do, just go open your phone, go to your browser, and then type one of the leading foreign web host provider. Like me, I use Hostinger. So you tap Hostinger, Hostinger.com. You open it. Hostinger is a very good web host. In creating this web host, you are going to use ShareHost. That means it's a kind of a server that is being shared with other people. So you are not. It's not going to be a personal. Because if you want to go for a personal server, it will cost you a lot of money. So what you do, you go for ShareHost. That means they add you to people a lot of people are using the web server, so they add you to it. So it's called ShareHost. Now what we do, when you now come here and look at here, you see Hostinger. Now the cheapest one here is $2.99 a month. That give you they will give you free domain, and then free website migration, and all of that 247 customer service. So let's begin. Just click somewhere here and get to here you say choose your web hosting plan. So choose your web hosting plan. Which of the plan do you prefer? The most popular, number one, the most popular is a business web hosting. Okay, business web hosting. The second one is the price is $3.99 a month. Okay, then another one is just look down, you see the features. These are the features. It has 100 website. This one can take 100 website, talking about your website and other subdomain. Like for example, my website is www.onyezeoneblog.com. So if you want to add other subdomain, it will not be www.onyezeone.com/store/factory/ all of those things. So those things are subdomain. You can have one. You can have one. You can have one website with one domain, and then have subdomains on your website, different /this/that. Okay, that is how it is called. Then these are the features. They give you unlimited bandwidth. They give you 200 gig SSD storage. Then you have a free domain for 1 year, and then you have unlimited free SSL. SSL means the protection, this protection certificate. Then you also have daily backup. They back up your transactions. That means your content. They back it up in case of any incasity. And then you have free CDN. Then performance. So these are all that they will give you on this. Then security. You have security. You have free bonuses. All of these things. And then another thing again you have here is WordPress option. Now, one thing about website of this day, before now, it is difficult to build website because you use HTML, and they do what we call writing of program and coding. So as at that time, you must be a web developer to be able to build a website. Okay, but as at today, you may not even need to have much idea, because you don't have to write program, you don't have to write you don't have to what they call it, you don't have to write program, you don't have to write coding anymore. So a layman can wake up and with some few teaching, like I'm doing now, you can become a web developer. You can build a website. So what you do today, there's what we call open software. Open software have come to make website building very easy. What is open software? It's a software that has been programmed, built in form of an empty website, so that when you pay and host it, then you begin to now follow the guidelines and begin to install things, just like something that have already been programmed, built, just with giving you, all you want. You just ask you put it there. So you don't need coding, you don't need writing program, you don't need much stress. So that is the latest method. By the help of open software, you can make your website, personal website, blog website, business website, even e-commerce website of any grade. Why you are now, when you begin to fill up the form, they will ask you what you want to use your website for. And then another good thing again is that all the web host provider now will give you WordPress. You see, apart from their hosting, they will install WordPress on your website, which is WordPress is the software we're talking about for website building. We have WordPress, we have other ones, but I prefer WordPress because WordPress is what I use. So they build it for you, all in one website solution. They give you everything all in one. Okay, let's assume for the sake of the teaching, so I don't waste time. When you click there, they have different plan. So just for you to click the one, let us just use one of this plan as an example. I click here now. Are you following? I click there. So let it open, and then you see what it says. Okay, now it says save on all plan. Now you are almost there. Complete your order. I choose a period. Okay, is it 1 month? Is it 1 year? Is it 2 years? Like the money is not that much, so what I did on my own, I choose 2 years, which is 24 months. Okay, let me use 12 months, 1 year, so we can now know what it is. This is 12 months. Okay, 12 months, that's 1 year. And then once you pay, they will give you free domain for 1 year. You won't pay for the domain. What is a domain? Domain name is just like the address to your website. Now this company I'm using to explain now, they are called web hosts. Now just like a house where your documents will be hosted, so they own the house. Then what about the address of your document? The address of your document is what we call domain name. Are you getting it now? Just like a man who lives in a house and also has an address. So with the address, you can trace the man to his house. And the house is hosting the man. He lives inside the house. But the address is what you can use to locate him. So your domain name is the address of your website. Are you getting it now? But your documents, those things you are going to be writing, must be hosted somewhere, must have a house. So this company is the people that will provide the house where your document will be hosted. So that's what they call it, host providers. And then the domain name, you are supposed to bring it from anywhere, buy it by yourself. But because of the way open software, they have made it easy, they are looking for customer, so they will give you domain name for 1 year. So you can choose the name you like. They will pay. You won't pay for it for 1 year, After 1 year, you will not begin to pay for the domain name. Are you getting it now? And then plus the hosting. After the hosting is what you are going to pay now. We are going to pay hosting now. This money you are seeing here is for the hosting, okay? But the domain name they will give you for free. That's why they told you. If you look at it down here, it says free domain for 1 year. So I'm using 1 year now, okay? Now it says save this amount. So what do? I go to say create your account. Already have an email login, okay? When you say create your account, what you do, how are you going to pay? Select payment method, PayPal, the credit card, Google Pay. Okay, let me use credit card. That one is just okay. Your email, you need to put your email because that's where they will send you the informations you need from them, like your password. They're going to verify your email to send you your password and everything. Now let me just use an email. Onyezewan blog at gmail.com. I'm not going to register it. I'm not buying. I just want to show you how it goes. Now I put an email, okay? That's number 2. I've already chosen the one I want, 1 year, and then I've chosen an email. And then number 3, say choose your payment method. Select. I choose card. Are you seeing it now? I choose credit card. So what to do? So right now, they were showing the total amount of everything that you are buying. Everything. Business web hosting plan for 12 months. All of them is $59. Okay, $59. Then backup is included. Domain name is included. Setup to set up the this is for you is included. Okay, then plan discount. Are you getting now? 50%. Taxes, everything. So at the end of everything, what you have here is $59. Okay, $59. Are you here now? So what you now do here, because I am not going to cross here because of the card information. I cannot put my card here now online. Okay, but this is already finished. What you now do is put your card name, put your card number, put the month, and then put the CVC code, and then you press submit. Are you getting that now? Then you press submit. Once you press submit, they will send you QTP from your bank to permit them to pay. And once they pay, they'll send you successful. And that is all. So after this now, you now give them for some hours, about 2 hours. Then they will not send you all the informations on your email. So with the email they will send you your domain name that you are choosing, everything. Okay, and because after this place now, once you pay, it will ask you to put your domain name, and once you put your domain name, it is finished. Just go ahead and then you take the money, you fill up the form for your domain name. After you pay now, the money is taken from your account. It will bring you to the place where you now fill up your domain name, www.festus.com, www.angela.com, www.successbusiness.com, www. So whether you want .com, .org, .io, .store, all of the dots and dots that you want, .org, that's .org, any of the dots you want. Once they open that page for you, you choose anyone you want, write the name you want. Once you write your name, they will first of all search if it's available, or if somebody have already used that name. If somebody have used the name, it can't give you. Sometimes they can suggest for you the kind of how you should put the name, either your surname coming first or your first name coming first before your surname. So all of that, whether it's business name, any business name you want to use, write it there. They will check it. If it is available, they will tell you it's available, and then from there you move on to the final stage after you have already paid. So once that is done, they will now send you everything on your email. Bring it on your email, and then you have your password, you have your email, and after that you now proceed into the website, because it's going to be an empty website. You now proceed into it to now start to do what we call customization. So I'm going to teach that in the next video. Okay, how to now begin to customize your website. Are you with me? I will show you the theme you are going to use, the things you are going to do, the plugins you are going to use, the add-ons you can use. Gradually you begin to learn. Like me, when I did my own the first time, I used my phone, I paid, everything came. I started to customize, put in something, put in this, put in that, how you want your website to look like. Do the, what they call it, the menu aspect. I will teach you. See how you fix your menu, so that if you click it, you click maybe your blog, click, you get to your store, click, you get to your event, click, you get to your disclaimer, click, you get to your, so all of those things that are clickable in the menu, they will see all, depending on the kind of theme you use. Before you begin a customization, the first thing you do is to choose a theme. The theme is what suggests how your website will look like. So I'm going to teach that on the next page. So this one is just how to pay and get your website through open software and web host providers. Once that is done, the next one on the customization is to show you how the website look like. So please click on don't forget to like this my page, my page. Don't forget to click on the notification button. As I upload new things, you begin to quickly see them. And also like and also share this page. Don't forget to give me a thumb up, and also give me click on my notification for this page. I'm sure this aspect will help you. On the next video, I'll be teaching on how to now customize. After you have paid, they have given you a website, how to start customizing it to become beautiful and look as a proper website. Thank you very much. God bless you.